हाँ, ये क्लास ले रहे हैं। हाँ। प्रणाम सर। क्या हाल है? अच्छा अच्छा। जी सर, आए हुए हैं सर। So, can I start? Should I start? All you people are welcome to this class. I think you all are listening. And should I start? Say anyone, people who are here. Hello. Hello. प्रणाम प्रणाम प्रणाम। कैसे हैं आप? ठीक हैं? हेलो। हाँ, बोलिए बोलिए, बताइए क्या बोल रहे हैं? से बोलो, स्पीक।
सर स्टार्ट कीजिए सर।
स्टार्ट करें, राइट राइट, ओके। सो आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट। आई एम शेयरिंग माय स्क्रीन। एक सेकंड, जस्ट अ सेकंड। So today we will study clinical examination and management of infertility in cattle. Infertility का मतलब क्या होता है? What do you mean by infertility? Infertility is of two types. One is temporary, another is permanent. So we will concern to temporary infertility. And another is permanent, which is also known as sterility. Permanent sterility, sterility mother that cannot be cured. So we will study here the temporary infertility, temporary clinical examination, how we people can examine any of the case for the fertility or infertility conditions, so that animal could be kept for a dairy purpose or any other purpose, which means for production purpose. Production in the sense, production, what do you mean by production? Production in the sense of calf production, milk productions, meat productions, all these are come under the production. So we will study the infertility. This course is almost the syllabus or the contents are almost similar in all the courses of VCP like VCP2, VCP 511, these all two are old courses. So you people are in a VCP2, fourth year, fourth professional new year. So when we will study the infertility, it means literally it means our first time whenever student tries, it means that infertility means anestrus. Infertility means the animal which is unable to produce of its own kinds of offspring, which is unable to produce one of its kind as offspring. Offspring is unable to produce. This is infertility. How could you treat? So there are a lot of infertile diseases like anestrus is also one of them. Similarly, repeat breeders is also one of them, and metritis, pyometra, and many of the infectious diseases like brucellosis, like trichomoniasis, like you can say colibacillosis, sorry, bovine viral diarrheas is a viral disease, IVR, IPV, infectious pustular vulvovaginitis, and this is known as IPV diseases. And many of the infertile diseases are, suppose some of the inflammation, if it's borne by salpingitis, this is inflammation, this is diseases or the inflammation of the oviduct is known as salpingitis. When there is endometritis, when the infection is become in the endometrial layer of the uterus, perimetritis, when the infection is attached to the broad ligament. The broad ligament, what you know, broad ligament is the ligament which holds the uterus. This is situated laterally. So this is a broad ligament which holds the entire reproductive tract of the female. So we will study here anestrus. Anestrus is also infertile. Anestrus is not a disease. Anestrus is not a disease. This is a syndrome. Because what we call syndrome, whom we call syndrome, syndrome is nothing but syndrome is what? Syndrome is a compilation of different disease and expression in form of some things. So anestrus is not a disease, it is a syndrome. The anestrus is a condition in which there is a number of conditions are involved for this anestrus. Maybe worm loads, maybe mineral deficiency, maybe the vitamin deficiency, maybe be some anatomical problems, maybe the health in the aspect of nutrient deficiencies. All these factors are responsible for the infertility. So anestrus is also a infertile conditions. और anestrus हमारे पास दो प्रकार के anestrus, एक फिजियोलॉजिकल anestrus होते हैं, एक पैथोलॉजिकल कॉज ऑफ anestrus. फिजियोलॉजिकल anestrus किसको कहेंगे? Whom we call physiological anestrus. If a cow is pregnant, certainly the cow or animal, any animal, if these animals are become pregnant, certainly this animal will not come into the estrus, and that is known as this is not a disease. This is a physiological anestrus. This is normal. And so pregnancy or gestational condition is a you can say this is a physiological anestrus, not and pathological cause of anestrus. Many a times cow and buffalo and goat and horses become infected, infection gone into the uterus or the genital tracts of the female, and the animal will not come into the estrus. This is pathological anestrus. This is a pathological cause of anestrus. This is not physiological. So these causes need this type of anestrus need immediate treatment. If you will not treat, the animal will not become fertile. But in physiological anestrus, animal is not need to be treated, but it need to be carefully monitored. If the animal is pregnant, you should give proper balanced diet so that pregnancy go on. So So in a physiological anesthesia is also of two types. Some animal is coming into stress, but animal is not able to ovulate their follicles. Some voice is coming. I am just shutting my doors so that you can listen. Just a minute. Okay. So here I want to clear, we are at physiological and stress. Sometimes animal is having the follicles, but animal is not able to ovulate it. This is pubertal and stress. Sometimes this will happen in immature animals. The immature means that this is the heifers or the calf, female calves or the heifers which is not been mature. In that condition, animal will come into heat. There will be a sign and symptom, but animal is, what happened? You people are listening? Hello? So,
yes, sir.
Okay, okay. If you people have any problem, in the meantime, you can ask questions. We have no any problem. I have no any problem. You can discuss, you can act, you can ask me while going class. So, involuntary stress. In stress, it means animal will have follicles, will have every symptom, will have the animal will have all the symptom of stress animal. But this means does not that animal is will. Her link has been gone. Actually, network was not working well. So hello, 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 hello.
Yes, sir.
हाँ हाँ ओके। तो ये कभी कभी नेटवर्क कनेक्शन जो है ना गड़बड़ा जाता है, क्योंकि अभी वाईफाई यूनिवर्सिटी का काम नहीं कर रहा है। मैं अपने हॉटस्पॉट से कनेक्ट किया हूँ। तो एनोवुलेटरी एनिस्ट्रस किसको कहते हैं, आप बता सकते हो? व्हाट इज एनोवुलेटरी एनिस्ट्रस? ओवुलेशन जिसमें नहीं हो पाता है, प्यूबर्टस, लैक्टेशनल एनिस्ट्रस। मान लिया जाए किसी एनिमल दूध दे, कोई एनिमल गाय है जो दूध दे रही है, तो इतना दूध दे रही है जिसकी वजह से एनिमल स्ट्रेस में जाता है और लैक्टेशनल एनिस्ट्रस उसको कहते हैं, जिसकी वजह से एनिमल हीट में नहीं आ पाती, क्योंकि द एनिमल इज हैविंग द बर्डन ऑफ लैक्टेशंस। So that condition, in that condition, this stress is known as lactational stress. Sometimes animal give birth, but after birth parturition, even if of 4 or 5 months, animal is not coming into the animal is not coming into stress. Animal is remaining in stress phase. This is known as postpartum stress. The stress condition which happen after the parturition is known as postpartum stress. हेलो, नेटवर्क कनेक्शन फेल हो जाता है। सो अगेन आई वांट टू एक्वायर एनिस्ट्रस, एनोवुलेटरी एनिस्ट्रस, and then anovulatory anistus 1, anovulatory anistus 2, anovulatory anistus 3, ovulatory anistus. Sometimes animals are ovulating, but animal is not in proper anistus condition. So this is known as unobserved stress. Sometimes animal is in stress but not showing signs symptoms. So animal will be the stress has been passed without showing any sign symptom, and you also not able to watch, not able to feel, not able to observe. So this is gone unnoticed. This is called unobserved anistus. Unobserved anistus. Persistent corporal luteum. Many a times animal is in stress, but animal is anistus due to the presence of a persistent corporal luteum. Normally these corporal luteum are regressed at the time of stress, but sometimes the animal is in anistus condition due to the only presence of the persistent corpus luteum. And this corpus luteum, because of that, you know already that this corpus luteum progesterone, it gives the negative feedback to the hypothalamus. So the animal is not.
स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रही
Hello, hello.
सर, स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रहा है कुछ भी।
स्क्रीन में दिख रहा है? ओके जस्ट
और आवाज भी क्लियर नहीं आ रही आपकी।
ओके। अब दिख रहा है क्या? दिख रहा है?
नो सर।
नहीं, अच्छा फिर से मैं करता हूँ। Now it's looking, it's coming slides. Is it okay?
यस
Okay. So we were here. So I want to state the ovulatory anistus. किसको कहते हैं? Whom we call ovulatory anistus. This is a condition when animal is not in proper estrus. It's called subestrus. Subestrus मतलब इसका मतलब है कि जो हीट है वो कम है, मतलब उसका हीट का जो प्रॉपर साइन सिम्टम है, जो एफिशिएंसी है, जो स्ट्रेंथ है हीट का, वो कम है, उसी को सबस्ट्रेस कहते हैं। एक होता है अनऑब्जर्व ईस्ट्रेस, द ईस्ट्रेस व्हिच इज गॉन अननोटिस्ड, इट हैज बीन गॉन unnoticed, this is called unobserved estrus. And it is another third one is persistent corpus luteum. These all are come under the ovulatory anistus, because if you are examining the genitalia, if you are feeling, if you are grasping the corpus luteum, it means that animal is having cycling, animal is having cycles. But sometimes there is a persistent. Normally this corpus luteum at the time of estrus it is regressed, but in the ovulatory anistus condition, the corpus luteum is not regressed. So, but animal is cycling. It means that animal is cycling. If any infertile cow or buffalo, if you are going to examine, and if you find many a time connection gone, actually this is a connection problem. So this is not my fault. This is connection problem. This is network problem. That's why this is problem. So you are looking my slides. You are observing. Is it looking? Again, connection is gone. It's very problem. What can I do? Hello. 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 Many a time connection problem is
network
कनेक्शन प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, बार बार ये कनेक्शन चला जा रहा है, तो डिस्टर्ब कर रहा है हमें पढ़ाने में। सो अगर
स्लाइड भी नहीं शेयर हो रहा है,
स्लाइड नहीं दिख रहा है, स्लाइड नहीं दिख रहा है,
नहीं
अच्छा
नहीं सर,
फिर से शो कर।
और आवाज भी क्लियर नहीं आ रही है आपकी।
आवाज हमारी क्या शुरू से साफ नहीं आ रही है? हेलो हेलो,
यस सर,
शुरू से साफ आ रही है क्या कि इस समय गड़बड़ाया है थोड़ा?
यस सर,
पहले ठीक थी क्या फर्स्ट टाइम? हेलो,
नो सर, शुरू से ही थोड़ा सा गड़बड़।
शुरू से अभी ठीक आ रही है? अभी ठीक आ रही?
सर,
अभी भी ठीक नहीं आ रही है?
नहीं है, नहीं सर, अब स्क्रीन पर आया।
अच्छा आप लोग ये बताओ कि कुछ प्रॉब्लम समझ, अगर कोई समस्या है तो आप पूछ सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम समझने में हो तो यू कैन डिस्कस, और दिस स्लाइड इज ऑलरेडी अपलोडेड टू आवर यूनिवर्सिटी वेबसाइट in a study material. You can find these slides, so you should go in detail by your own self. So congenital hereditary cause is also one of the problem of stress conditions. Ovarian aplasia, sometimes ovary is not grown as it should be, so ovarian hypoplasia, ovary become short. Pre-Martin's conditions, this is an infertile condition. This is this is a very common case of pre-Martin, and yet I have seen this case many times, two or three times I have seen in my life. Pre-Martin animal, these animals actually, the pre-Martins are called, the female are known as pre-Martins. Female are known because the animal, when the cow is become pregnant, and if the cow is having twin, and either of the case, whether male or female, both, if you are male or female, both animal, if it reside in the uterus, the estrogen hormone of the female will secrete, or the testosterone of from the male. Testosterone, first the testosterone coming from the male, and it is andronize the female, so female become pre-Martins. ओके कोई समझने में कोई प्रॉब्लम फ्री मार्टिन के बारे में? हेलो, फ्री मार्टिन किसको कहते हैं? हेलो हेलो, फ्री मार्टिन किसे कहते हैं? हेलो,
हेलो,
फ्री मार्टिन किसको कहते हैं? फ्री मार्टिन किसे कहते हैं? किस कंडीशन को कहते हैं फ्री मार्टिन?
जब मेल और फीमेल सर।
हाँ बहुत अच्छा, बोलते चलिए।
और फीमेल कैरेक्टर सर मेल में इस वजह से फीमेल कैरेक्टर कुछ मेल में आ जाता है।
हाँ नहीं, मेल का कैरेक्टर फीमेल में आ जाता है।
फीमेल सर फीमेल स्टेराइल होती है, फीमेल स्टेराइल होती है।
क्यों होती है स्टेराइल? इसलिए होती है कि मेल का जो टेस्टोस्टेरोन हार्मोन है, दैट हार्मोन एंड्रोनाइज द फीमेल्स, सो मेल का कैरेक्टर आ जाता है किसमें? फीमेल में। समटाइम्स देयर वजाइना इज नॉट as much as long as it should be. It's not gone more, it is not more than 8 centimeters. It should be normally the vaginal length is more than 10 or 20 centimeters, but it's not gone beyond the 8 centimeters. But sometimes there will be the hair also at the bushy hair at this time, and it back part is sometimes look like a male correct, male type body will become heavier. The back side of the animal will be not will be the waist shape, not will be the broad, it will be become like a presentation of the male animals. Follow my point? मैं क्या बता रहा हूँ, जो अगर कोई फ्री मार्टिन फीमेल है तो उसके जो बैक साइड का जो स्ट्रक्चर है, it will look like a male types, it will look like a bull types, but normal female it will be having a broad side, wedge shaped. So this is a free Martin condition. It is happen in a condition, in a twin condition, when animal is having two fetus. Ovarian hypoplasia, you know, it is become this shortening of the ovary. Ovarian aplasia, it means ovary is not negligible presence of the ovarian tissues. So aplasia, or this is ovulatory stress. This is a condition when animal is coming into the their animal is ovulating, but animal is not in proper estrus. This is called ovulatory anestrus. Anovulatory anestrus, the condition in which animal is not able to ovulate. So these all are come under this. Now you see here, what are the factors which is responsible for the animal come into the estrus or the deficiency. You see here, nutrient deficiency. This is deficient animal, somewhat looking like the nutrient deficiency, and this animal is a hypophosphatemia. So here the green fodder is very, very important. The picture is reflecting the deficiency diseases. This is also deficiency, sometimes maybe the copper deficiency, mineral zinc deficiency, hypophosphatemia condition where animal will look like in this instance. So you come here, how this period is divided into the estrus. You know, estrus is a period of 20 hours, 18 to 20 hours. Some animal will have somewhat little, somewhat more, and it will be, but they on an average, this is 18 to 20 hours. So this is divided, you will be given. And you know here, ovulation, when the animal will ovulate, after 12 hours after the end of the estrus. Animal will ovulate 12 hours after the estrus, and few hours later, animal will be have fertilized. The egg will be fertilized. So if you have any problem, you can ask. Failure of an estrus, what is the reason? दो कंडीशन है. एनेस्टस फेलियर होने के दो कंडीशन होते हैं. एक होते हैं जो सीएल होते हैं फिर भी एनेस्टस होता है, एक सीएल नहीं होते हैं फिर भी एनेस्टस होता है. तो दो कंडीशन एनेस्टस का, जिसमें सीएल रहेगा इट मींस दिस इज प्रेग्नेंट, द एनिमल में प्रेग्नेंट, एनिमल में भी द परसिस्टेंस ऑफ द सीएल, साइलेंट हीट, अनऑब्जर्व हीट, इन कंडीशनों में ये भी एनेस्टस कंडीशन ही है. लेकिन ये एनेस्टस कंडीशन तब है जब सीएल उसमें है. एक कंडीशन जब सीएल नहीं है तब एनेस्टस कंडीशन होता है, जिसे हम ट्रू एनेस्टस करते हैं, जिसे हम ट्रू एनेस्टस करते हैं. हेलो, हेलो, are you looking my slides? Are you viewing my
Yes,
slides? Okay.
सर
हाँ,
सर आवाज बहुत कट रहा है सर, पता
आवाज
ही नहीं
कट
चल
रहा
पा
है.
रहा है कि क्या.
सर क्लास में बहुत इंटरप्ट हुआ सर आज.
बहुत इंटरप्ट हुआ है सर क्लास.
ऐसा करते हैं, इस पीपीटी को हम इस ग्रुप में पीडीएफ अभी डाल देते हैं. ठीक है, आप लोग अच्छी से तरह से पढ़ लीजिए, अच्छा रहेगा. ठीक है, हम डाल देंगे साइट से पहले आप लोग को हम डालते हैं, ठीक रहेगा. अभी स्लाइड दिख रही है आपको?
ठीक है सर.
हेलो, अभी स्लाइड दिख रही है?
नो सर, जूम का कोई स्लाइड,
कुछ
जूम का
कुछ
स्लाइड
नहीं
दिख रहा है सर.
दिख रहा है खाली.
एक्चुअली पता नहीं क्यों ये हट गया. जूम अभी चल रहा है कि नहीं? स्लाइड नहीं चल रहा है?
सर कॉलेज कब तक खुलेगा सर?
अरे कॉलेज खुल जाए तो बहुत बढ़िया है. हम लोग भी सोचते हैं जितना जल्दी हो कॉलेज खुल जाए, लेकिन ये खुल ही नहीं रहा है कॉलेज. क्या करें, सरकार भी कुछ.
सर गर्मी और बरसात भी साथ ही है सर, घर में ही ठंडा भी बीता है.
हम भी आप लोग से मिलने के लिए बेकरार हैं, लेकिन क्या करें, हम तो कर नहीं सकते हैं, कोरोना के वजह से बंद है. हम भी आपसे मिलने के लिए, आप लोगों को देखने के लिए बेकरार हैं. आइएगा तो अच्छा लगेगा, लेकिन दूर हैं हम लोग, क्या कीजिएगा, ये रूल है. अभी भी तो कोरोना का फैला हुआ है मामला. आज भी 260 केस पटना में डिटेक्ट हुआ है. जान खतरे में देने के लिए
सिर्फ हॉस्टल अलॉट हो जाता तो बात खत्म थी.
कहीं कोई हॉस्टल कॉलेज खुला तो पीजी का भी नहीं खुला है. अभी पीजी क्लास भी अभी नहीं चल रही है, समझे. ये हम कहना चाह रहे हैं कि हम व्हाट्सएप कर देते हैं इस स्लाइड्स को आपको. ठीक है, देख लीजिएगा.
सर क्लिनिक आ सकते हैं सर
हाँ,
प्रैक्टिस के लिए?
क्या बोल रहे हैं आप? क्या बोल रहे हैं?
क्लिनिक आ सकते हैं सर प्रैक्टिस के लिए? क्लिनिक आ सकते हैं?
आ सकते हो, लेकिन हॉस्टल अलाउड नहीं होगा. आ तो सकते हो, लेकिन हॉस्टल अलाउड नहीं होगा. आप आ सकते हो,
बगल में ही रहते हैं सर,
आ जाओ.
अंकल ही रहते हैं शास्त्री नगर बगले में.
हाँ, आ सकते हो, आ सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. यू कैन कम इफ यू हैव इंटरेस्ट, इफ यू हैव डिजायर्स, इफ यू आर बर्निंग डिजायर्स, यू कैन कम, नो प्रॉब्लम. You can come, but you will not be given a hostel.
यस सर.
You will not given a
सर तो
hostel.
मंडे से ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं?
हाँ, तो on officially नहीं. You can see, you can learn, you can observe, but unofficially. ऐसा कोई आदेश निकला है क्या कि आपका कॉलेज खुल रहा है, आपको आना है? ऐसा कोई आदेश मिला है? ऐसा कोई इंफॉर्मेशन गया है आप लोगों के पास कि कॉलेज खुल रही है? हेलो
हाँ बोलना।
हेलो
सर आवल है।
हाँ, अभी हम शेयर कर रहे हैं, ठीक है। दिख रहा है स्लाइड अब मेरा? हेलो,
नहीं सर, नहीं सर।
नहीं दिख रहा है? अरे क्या है? अच्छा, जस्ट सेकंड। अब दिख रहा होगा, है ना? नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम से भी प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है ना, इंटरनेट वाईफाई भी नहीं चल रही है, तो मैं अपना हॉटस्पॉट से चला रहा हूँ, हॉटस्पॉट से चला रहा हूँ। नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है बहुत, मैं क्या बताऊं, नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है, इसके वजह से प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है। ऐसा करते हैं, आज छोड़ दो, हो गया है, नेटवर्क भी नहीं आ रहा है सही से, बार बार कट जा रहा है कनेक्शन। और मैं नहीं चाहता हूं कि नेटवर्क कनेक्शन आ रहा है, नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम, योर नेटवर्क कनेक्शन इज कौन, ऐसे ही करके बार बार आ रहा है, तो प्रॉब्लम कनेक्शन का है। नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम लोग क्लियर करेंगे, ठीक है। हाँ, प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है बाबू, तो इसमें ऐसे तो पढ़ाने के लिए बहुत है। देखो एनिमल का, जैसे इसका जो है ईस्टस कैसे डिटेक्ट होता है, ये मेल एनिमल है, ये फीमेल है, इज ए स्निफिंग जेनेटिक है, इज स्मेलिंग, so by this the pheromone is responsible, is secreting some pheromones, that's why animal is getting attracted. So this is how this animal is mounted to another. This is the homologous condition, this is a homosexual behavior in early of the heat of the cow. While in early heat, there will be a condition of a homosexuality, mounting by cow to other cow, then other heat symptoms. If you are observing such type of a characteristic of any cow in your farm or in the place where you are keeping the animals, it means that animal is in heat, animal is in a condition of a early heat. So the animal is, so this is condition. You see here, hind quarter and tail painting. By this method, you can observe the animal in heat. If you are sleeping in the night, animal came into the heat, you cannot observe. So for that, the hind quarter or tail painting is been done. So if any bull mount to that, if any cow mount to that animal, certainly the animal will have such type of color. That color you have already painted on the tail of that animal. So it is a method to detect the estrus in a cow. Hello, you are understanding? You are following? Did you get what I am telling? Do you get? Hello? Hello, do you get?
No, sir.
You didn't get? मेरा कहना, I mean to say that if it's a problem of heat detection in animals.
Yeah.
If you are keeping many of the animal in your farm, it's a problem. So for that, many of the method has been designed for detection of the estrus in the animal. Let's example, you see here hindquarters or the tail is painted over here. Why this is tail is painted over here? This is reason is that if the bull is mounted over the cow, certainly the bull have such type of a color inside on their belly. So you can detect that animal is in heat by differentiating the color, by knowing the colors. So this is the methodology how you will detect the animal in estrus. And this is also a sign symptom of heat. You see here, this bull is sniffing the genitalia of a one female. Snipping of genitalia. Here you see this cow is mounting over the another cow. This is another method of heat detection, another sign symptom of heat of the animals. So here you see silent estrus. Silent estrus is also a condition in which animal is in heat, but animal is not having external sign symptom of estrus condition. This is due to the deficiency of the mineral. You see here, this cow is licking the salt. Many a time the dairy animals or the become deficient in the salt. So if any animal is deficient in salt, certainly animal will have a problem of silent ester. So a mineral block or the sodium salt block has been given to this animal. This animal is licking these blocks. So the silent esters, if you are having such case of the silent ester, what will be your line of treatment? This is the treatment you should give: minerals, vitamin, feed supplementation, protein, fat, exercise, green fodders, hormone, concentrates, trace minerals, cortisol. These are the method, these are the element for the treatment of these are the line of treatment, these are the component which is required for the treatment of infertility or the silent stress of the animal. This is